Hi everyone, I'm Jordan Hansen. I'm from Cobalt Intelligence, and today we're talking about the Iowa Secretary of State business search. We're going there to search for business entities. We're going to show how to just use their platform. We're going to show you how to get it via API with our portal. We're going to show you how to get it via API via Postman, and then also how to get it with JavaScript with our SDK. So here at Iowa, we have everything expected except for no organization documents, which is a bummer. This is a thing that people often want, and we don't have it here. We do have screenshots though, so we can show how to do that. Let's go over to the portal. This is Iowa's portal. We're gonna go to the Iowa Secretary of State business search. You can search by both business number, which is like their entity ID. We call it an SOS ID, or you can search by business name. I'm gonna search for software because I like software. I'm a software guy. And look at all these lists of things here. We have them active, inactive, all their different types they are. I would like an active one that's legal. Second Story Software Inc. And there we go. We got the cool stuff. We have the officers right here. We have the filings that apparently we cannot get. Why can't we get this? This is maybe something we should be able to get. But you can see officers, all that information. Now let's go to the Cobalt Intelligence portal and we'll show you how to get that there. You don't need a reach ID, that's for different stuff. And we go to Iowa, I'm gonna hit submit. And it's going right now to get that data. So you can just integrate this right into your software. There, bam, look at that. Got a list of officers, got all that information. All right, now we're gonna come over here and we're gonna put it, this is what it looks like. I'm gonna replace that. Place this as IA, and we're gonna hit search. Now this is how you're gonna form your URL. It's gonna be api.cobaltintelligence.com/v1/search with a search query second of whatever the business name is, and then also the state. You're also gonna pass in your API key right here in the header, x-api-key, and then pass it in, and then there it is, all here in nice pretty JSON for you to use. And then finally, we're gonna go to our SDK. This is the JavaScript SDK. It goes through how to use it. I'm gonna start it up. The cool thing about the SDK is it can handle all things that are painful, and it'll just like retry IDs is the main one. In case you have something with a captcha where it takes a little bit longer, it just handles that for you. So that was really fast. It came back. You just import the SOS API part. You pass in your API key, and then you use this function, get business details. You pass in the business name, the state, whatever other information you want, including the screenshot. We sent over a screenshot in this one, so we're gonna look at that. Here's our officers. You can see they're up here in an array. And then let's look at this. You can see that we can get the URL. There's also a timestamp that's cut off, or I think it's lost in this red background. We may have to change a little bit how we do that. But you can see right here, you can use this to prove that you've actually been there. So this is a screenshot for Iowa. And that is all we have in Iowa.